Hey everybody, how you doing? So this video is on potential in-home gyms and some of the different parts to it. This one is about the TRX GO suspension trainer. You may or may not have seen this before at your gym or other facilities, but this is what the box looks like. It comes with a manual. It has this thing, which can be a little confusing, but what it is, it's a door jamb holder, specifically the top of the door, and then you close it nice and tightly. One of the things you want to make sure is that the suspension and the handles are going inside, so away from the direction that the door opens. Does that make sense? So if the door opens that way, then you would want this between the door and the upper jamb. Close the door. So as you're pulling in this direction, then it's applying more tension. The other way, if you're pulling with the side or the direction the door opens, then you're applying pressure to open the door. Okay, I'm pretty sure that makes sense. I'll show you as I hook it up also. And then the other part is the actual TRX. Okay, so this is it. And then I will show you how it looks when it's hooked up. Hey everybody. So to continue the equipment review and instruction, we're looking at the TRX. So from the previous video, this is the door jamb holder, and then here is the system. It's a suspension system, meaning that there's two handles. So there's two handles here, and then they come together. So right here, carabiner. There's a arm which allows for adjustments. So this is the full system here, and if you see each of these little, I think that's about 1.5 inches, maybe 2. You can stick the carabiner inside and make a shorter, secure loop. So it's very modifiable. And so we're going to get started. I'm going to show you a couple different things. The first thing is the adjustment is very easy. There's just a little push down tab, and so you can push down, and then you can see how this yellow portion right here moved. And similarly, if you want to shorten it, you push the tab down and then yank on this yellow tab to make the handles shorter. And the purpose for adjusting the handles longer or shorter is depending on the exercise that you're doing, but also the anchor point. So some places have it attached to the top of squat racks or the ceiling or walls. But if you have the door, then you're going to probably want to tighten it up as high or as tight as it goes, just so you have some room to extend out and do your exercises. So let me tighten that up. Okay. So we got the yellow loop, got this portion. In fact, I think you will likely be able to attach it directly to the door jamb also, based on the height that we're working with. So let's work on that first. Sorry about the shaking. So I am going to be using this door right here. And yes, I know it's a commercial door and it's super heavy duty, but it's for illustrative purposes to show you. So so the door opens that direction, okay? We don't want the TRX to be on that side. We want it on the inside, okay? Here we go. So you see, I close the door and the strap portion that has the loop is on the inside. So once again, it's facing in, going away from the direction the door opens. I know, sorry, it feels like I'm harping on that point, but I can't emphasize enough safety when working with the TRX or really any exercise equipment. Safety is most important. All right. So you see the carabiner here, put it through the loop. And there you go. So now you have a TRX suspension system all set up to go.